Going to Lola's farm.
Lola's farm. Lola's farm. It's a little bit rough road going inside the farm of my mom. That's mahirap yung daan. So magdora-dora kami sa farm nila lang. Ayan. Look guys, we are in here now. So this is my mom's other farm. We have the marang over there. And we have also the cacao tree. Yan, may bunga yung cacao. Yun. And then this is the small bakala and computer shop of my mom. Yan. Yeah. Oh, may CCTV pa para hindi magnakaw si Jau Jau. Tapos may piso wifi. Yan. Bawal libreng internet. Lang tao. Dagan na ni kakao dere nak. Dagan lagi kakao dere oh. Kisa nagtanom.